cut you off. I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough. I've been done, I've been moving on since we said goodbye. I cut you off, I don't need your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy, for anybody that is new, and today's video I am doing a get the look. So I really love doing these get the looks where I try to nail the makeup look of a certain person, celebrity, whatever. So today I am going to do a look that Dua Lipa wore. I'm not sure to what event or for what. I feel like it was like to one of her concerts or something. I'm not entirely sure, but I actually just went to her concert and she is the absolute cutest, like a lot of energy at that show. I feel like the crowd that she attracts is like really cool and fun actually, so it was great. If you guys get a chance to see her, I would highly recommend it. So actually, I'm not gonna do a voiceover. I usually do like voiceovers for these get the looks, but let me know what you guys prefer. I'm like open to either. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Well, you guys can wait till the end if you want to decide if you want to subscribe or not, but let's jump right into the makeup look. So Dua Lipa has very luminous, glowy skin. I just want to make sure that my base is good. So I'm gonna actually start with the Fresh Lotus Eye Gel. My under eyes have been really dry lately. Well, I've been taking care of them now, but for a minute they were looking so creepy, like crepey. And it's also been really windy and cold, so my skin has just been feeling very dry. So now I'm gonna use this. It's actually a night cream, but I love to use it during the day. It just makes for such a nice canvas. It melts into the skin so nicely. So I'm gonna move right into filling in my eyebrows. Look at how crazy they look right now. So I'm just gonna fill these guys in, and just to even them out on this side. Oof, I really need to get them done, but it's fine because Dua Lipa's are pretty bushy too. So I'm gonna prime my lids now just to make sure that everything can blend nice and easy. I'm gonna take my concealer that I will use for under my eyes as well. Just apply a few dots to my lids. And then I'm gonna just take some powder and set that. I'm gonna be using this NYX pigment. This is in the shade 8 or something. I don't know, I'll have everything linked below, you guys. I'm gonna dip my brush into the pigment and just apply that on my lid. I wish I had this color for that like Runway to My Way video. Would have been so perfect for that Givenchy look. And this is what I was looking for, but I just bought this like literally an hour ago to do this look. And I'm gonna take this color here just so it looks a little bit more diffused. I'm gonna take that more turquoisey color as well. Very patchy, but we are gonna make it work today. Better work. Look at how patchy that looks. This is just the prelim, and then I'm gonna go in with that pigment again. But I'm just trying to create the shape with a softer hand, and it just kind of like doop. So now I'm just taking the pigment on a dry brush. I feel like this might blend a little bit better. Just have a lot more fallout, but I'd rather clean it up than having it be like super patchy. These pigments are pretty dope. Now I'm gonna take my little Neutrogena wipe and just try to form it a little bit smaller. I think I went, watch, you'll see what I mean. So I'm just like going like this with my finger, cleaning it up. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the blue. I really wish they blended out better, but I don't have anything else. I'm gonna take that wet one once more, maybe hit it again with some rose spray. Go back and deepen this guy up. Just hitting it like this in small strokes. Now just to deepen up and have like a little bit more dimension and bring in a new blue, or I hope so. I hope this one is a little bit deeper. This is a nice little eyeliner by Julep. So I want to try lining my eye and see if it brings about some new blue. It might be the same color though, guys. She seemed to have like a little bit more of like a cobalt, and then it kind of smoked out to like this color. Yeah, I think it's kind of working. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. It's like butter for real. Just glides on. It doesn't like irritate your eye or tug it. So on the inner corner and also like in the inner rim, hers looks a little bit like of an icy blue. So what I wanted to use was the My Little Pony palette. I've been really into this palette. I'm gonna use this color here. It's like a icy mint. So I'm just gonna hit my little lip brush. You see how it kind of has like a white minty feel? That's like literally what Dua Lipa's is to me. Maybe hers is a little bit more white. So you guys can do white if you want, but I really love this mint color. It's so pretty. I thought maybe he'd use like a light blue minty eyeliner on her waterline, but I think it just kind of like mixed. So perfect. So I'll come back to the eyes and do mascara, and then like also just fix anything that I want to fix if it's not perfect. Since I like got rid of the fallout, I'm gonna go back into this Dew night cream. Just make sure that I'm hydrated. And like I said, her skin was so glowy, so I'm gonna use this by Fresh. This is the Fresh Face Instant Glow Luminizer. And I'm just gonna apply that to the tops of my cheeks. And then I'm gonna use the MAC Water Weight. I love this. This is like my jam lately. Like, am I almost out already? I use this one like every day. This foundation is so nice because it still allows your skin to look very like yours. It's very skin-like, so that allows that glow to really shine through. So for concealer, I'm actually gonna take a new product. So I'm not sure what shade I am. I grabbed 3. These are new from Laura Mercier. These are the Ultra Longwear Concealer. They are full coverage. I just like swatched these 3 on my hands just to see what color I was, and they're very thick and full coverage. So I'm gonna start with shade Too Warm. I think that's what I am. And I want it to be a little bit brighter under here. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I think I put too much because this is so full coverage. Whoops. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. Hopefully this will take off some product as well. Just kind of press that. While kind of cleaning up the shadow as well. Oh shit, I think I just ran out of this pencil actually. Like, does not go up anymore. So now I'm gonna grab this little MAC powder, set everything, especially under the eye. That's where I tend to crease, and that's where I put concealer and stuff. But then also here where I'm about to put bronzer, just so everything is like smooth and can just blend better. These are so cute. I just got them in as well. I've been using them. These are the Balm Take Home the Bronze, and you guys know the Balm, they have the best packaging. It's like so cheeky and cute. So I'm gonna use the bronzer. This is in the shade Oscar. I believe this is the lightest shade, but they do have 3, and I like the medium shade as well. I haven't played with the dark. I think it might be too dark for me. I'm like, look at how pretty that is. Really, really into these bronzers. Can't wait to put on mascara. I feel like I look so scary with these eyes. You know how like mascara just kind of changes everything? So it doesn't really look like she has on too much blush. I just want to make it a little bit more orangey, peachy, how she has it. So I'm gonna take this one by Flower, and this is in the shade Peach Primrose. I love this blush, and it's so inexpensive. Oh, it's beautiful, inexpensive, and it's totally good. So that's a win in my book. I'm just gonna kind of hit it here. Right, kind of blending with my bronzer a little bit. Hers looks like that, so why not? I'll try it as well. Usually I would go like up here, but I'm gonna keep it low. And I'm just gonna blend everything one more time. I don't want to be too harsh. So I've been obsessed with this little mascara. I know I need to buy the full-size one, but this Lancome Monsieur Big mascara is the bomb. Oh, the difference. I don't look so scary anymore. And then also the bottom lashes. The fact that my lashes show through the blue is like insane, and it's literally this. And then I'm gonna pass a little brow gel as well through my brows. This is by Ico. So good, you guys. It just makes your brows look so polished and very like... And then just to make them a little more soft and pretty, I'm gonna brush them down, but with a clean spoolie. Not the one with the gel. If I use that brow gel one, it just keeps putting more product. So that's why I like to use a clean one. For highlight, I'm gonna use this. It's been my favorite thing as well. This is the Hollywood Beauty Light by Charlotte Tills. I'm gonna use two highlights actually. This one is awesome. But if we look at the Dua Lipa photo again, her skin looks like glossy. So I'm gonna use this guy, Hey Honey by Nude Sticks. It still kind of keeps with those like golden tones through her face and also has that glossy, wet kind of look. But like you kind of get it a little bit with the Charlotte Tilbury one, but I just want to amp it up a little bit further. So that's when this guy comes in, you see? Feather out the outer edges. That way the middle is like still very potent, but it just looks flushed with my skin. Just like it's seamless. Alright, so for lips, I had to take a lip off because it was not the right shade. I'm gonna try this one by Nude Stick. This is in the shade Tay Tay. Maybe if I mix this with like Leo, we'll have the shade. There we go. I think that's more the shade. So that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was super easy to follow. I don't feel like you need to be very skilled to do this look because hello, I'm not that skilled. So if you guys do end up trying this look, I'd love to see, tag me. You'll basically be doing a recreation of a recreation, I guess, but hopefully I made it really easy for you guys to follow. I really like to use minimal products, so definitely I would say the pigment is the way to go. I know I kind of messed around a little bit with that NYX palette, but honestly I don't think you need this. I kind of wish I didn't buy that, but it's fine. Maybe I can use it for another look, I don't know, in the future. So thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope it was enjoyable, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! And over us. That is why I don't sing. Without you, I got nowhere. So breathe in.